Hello. Today I just wanted to give a big welcome back to my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, what is wrong with you? Right, without out the way, I just wanted to do a quick video on the RISC emulator and the assembly language stuff that I've been doing on it. Now, I'm just playing around and trying to teach myself the language. I'm familiar with assembler, but RISC assembler and instruction sets a completely different kettle of fish, and so it's sort of learning again from the start. I have this thing that I do to help me learn, and I thought it would be useful to show people. So just a quick video today to show you what I'm doing to try and understand how the RISC instruction set works. So let's just flip over to that. Now here you can see that I've got my RISC processor. You can see it, yeah. So it's a RISC 64. Now I'm trying to learn assembly language. So one of the ways to that you can do this, and it's a great tip, and it does work on other architectures as well, is if we do a quick and easy C program. And if you can spell properly. Notice that I did the brackets properly. Didn't stick them up here on the end where it would get lost. I put them so they're aligned. But anyway, so we just want to print something. So it's really simple and easy, and we can do GCC and the print. Oh, if we again type it in properly, and we can run .a out, and we get a string. Now that's all great, but it doesn't tell you anything about assembler. But what you can do with this command is if you put a minus capital S, it will not generate the .a out file. It will actually generate a .s file. So you can look at this print.s file to see how GCC would write the assembler code. So here we have it. It's got the file. It says it's a pig. It does the sections. It's worked out. It tells you how you're going to define the string in assembler. It tells you how to do the align. It tells you how to do the global main. And then it shows you how to call the puts, which is the thing that's actually putting this here. And it's showing you above how to load the string and all of that good stuff into A0, because that's where the arguments go. And then it, prints it. So, I mean, it's a really simple and easy way to work out how the the compiler would create an assembly program to use. Now, I find this quite useful, and when I want to do this sort of thing, and learn, it's easy to get the C program and then look at how the compiler would generate it. Now, there's a lot more stuff in here than I would put in, but that's fine. But it gives you the basics of it. Now, what I'm doing at the moment, just a quick preview, is I decided to do some sort of little wacky projects to, just to learn, really. Oh, and again, can't type. So I did this thing called bubble wrap, and it just prints a load of stuff at the moment. But the idea here is that it prints out a grid of numbers, it stops and waits for user input, and then when the user presses a 1, for example, it will change the 1 in the line 1, 2, 3 to be star 1, 2, 3. Star 2, 3. And then you're basically popping. And eventually I might add a little pop sound to this, just to make it more amusing. But, you know, the restriction that I have on this program is that I'm doing it all has to be ASCII text. You know, so it's not a brilliant game. I'm never going to make millions selling it, but it's sufficient to let me learn more about the assembly program and how it works and how to do it, you know. And so it's just a really useful thing to do, and unlike the C code that was kind of, you know, well, it's written by a compiler for a compiler. You know, I've broken this out into an exit loop and all sorts of other stuff. But basically, that's all I'm doing to try and learn more of this type of thing. Just a quick video, a real quick tip on how you can get your compiler to do assembly output. Right. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this sort of thing, subscribe and share and like and, you know, all the normal stuff that everybody on YouTube asks you to do. But please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.